Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Come with me to make my hair. So I've been on locks. I went back to dreadlock late last year, and so now I have to be relocking it from time to time. So I'm on my way to relock my hair. That's where I relock it upstairs there. So let's go upstairs and relock this hair. Enjoy. This salon will be where most of accurate people on locks come to relock their hair, and they are always busy when I'm there. This is during the week. This on a Monday morning, so they are always busy. So this is me. This is my hair. See, my hair is rough already, so I have to wash it first. After washing, they relock it. So someone came inside and saw my hair and liked it. So one of my colleagues of the person that did was like, it's your piece that did here. The name of the lady is Peace, and I actually love my hair. It's so beautiful. I think this is the first time I will be so glad with this styling. I actually love it, and it's not painful. Senior Peace, no mama, she wrote me back. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Enjoy this beauty. Yeah, just be looking at my face and my hair. Just enjoy it. I love you guys. Bye. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, please.